back to PBR Acres. Well, today is Sunday, March 16th, I think it is. It's about 26 degrees outside right now. Sap has got ice on it again. Just a few days ago, it was darn near 80 degrees out. So interesting weather. The sapping season though is basically done. I got buds coming up on those maple trees, and that kind of signifies that the season is done. There might be a little bit of run left, but yeah, it's basically done. So we're gonna boil what we can today, and we'll go from there. See if we can get some syrup. Thanks for tuning in.